In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a buy one get one, or BOGO, discount on your Shopify store. Let's start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you are in, locate and click on the Discounts option. This will take you to a new page with various types of discounts you can offer to your customers. Next, look for the Create Discount button. Clicking this will present you with several forms you need to fill out to create your discount. The first thing you'll need to do is select the discount type. In this instance, you want to choose the Buy X Get Y option. This type of discount is a great way to encourage customers to purchase more items because they know they'll get something free in return. Afterward, you have to decide the method of your discount. You will see an option that says Method. Click on it. A drop-down list will appear. From the options, pick Discount Code. This code is what customers will enter at checkout to apply the discount. Enter a name for your code or use the Generate button to have Shopify create one for you. Remember, this code should be easy for your customers to remember. Next, consider what conditions the customer must meet to qualify for the discount. Look for the Customer Buys section. There, select Minimum Quantity of Items and set it to 1. This means that every customer that purchases at least one item will get one extra for free. Now choose whether the discount applies to specific products or specific collections. Use the search bar or click on the Browse button to select the desired items or collections. Let's focus on what the customer will get. In the Customer Gets section, set the quantity to 1, indicating every qualifying purchase receives one additional item. Once again, decide whether the second item is one of your specific products or from a specific collection. This should also be added via search or browse. Since you're doing a BOGO discount, you'll need to specify that the second item should be free. To do this, look for the section labeled At a Discounted Value and select Free. Before saving the new discount, there are a few final details you need to specify. First, set the eligibility to determine who qualifies for the discount. It could be everyone or only a specific group of customers. Then, specify the maximum discount uses. This can be set to unlimited or limited to a certain number of uses. Finally, set the active dates to determine when this discount will be available. Once all these details are in place, click on the Save Discount button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a BOGO discount on your Shopify store. Remember, discounts can be a great way to incentivize customers to purchase more. So, use them wisely and strategically to drive your store's sales.